going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man, and you tuned in for another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one.
Make sure you click that bell icon so you get all the notifications. And of course, make sure you subscribe too. First subscribe, then click the bell icon. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Y'all, it's your boy Chevy 254. We not fooling with the Rivy today. We fooling with that HP2Z. HP2Z. That's what we're gonna call it from now on. HP2Z. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag HP2Z. I'm going to fool with the box Chevy today. Just to get like a base for whatever the tune is in there and all that good stuff, man. Scan it. Well, I already know what the tune is. However, I don't have any like log data. And now it's finna try to rain. You see this shit? So let me go ahead and get in the car, man, get it crunk up, and then I'll cut you back on. You gotta do it.
Y'all see, hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, real to real. Y'all already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if y'all don't know me, this is my name. Yeah, it's RELLTOREAL. Make sure y'all come check me out, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell and be notified every time I post a video. And then make sure you subscribe to this channel while you watching it right now, cause you ain't got nothing else better to do with your time right now. You know, like Mike F saying, hey, I ain't got nothing to do with my time right now, but he said he did have something to do. So hey, you got something to do now. Hit that subscribe button and go ahead. Join his notification gang too, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, man. We in the Chevy, still hiding behind, well, not tent, but the shade. Raindrops are starting to fall, but we finna get this shit done today. So, I guess we'll just start recording, and then we'll have all our data. Now this is a speed density tune. So our recording is on here, but then it's recording there. So I'm not exactly sure how to screen record just yet. I'll find out next time. I know that driveway engineer does it, so I'll ask him. Or if y'all know, then y'all let me know. So we just finna go around the block. You know what I mean? Nothing major. Yeah, so around the block, nothing major. Get some data and go from there. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is their inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So Definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSF254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. So we got that still running. Just got it observing or whatnot. No, actually it's not. I stopped it because I saved the file. But everything seemed to be fine. As y'all know, there is a little something. I put it over here behind the C10 for now. That way I can pull the rivy out if I want to. I still got this little leak from the fucking transmission line, so I'm trying to see exactly where that bitch is leaking from. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm trying to see exactly where it's leaking from, so that we can get that taken care of. It's got to be coming from that bottom line down there, because this top one is dry as a whistle. So it looks like it's dripping down onto that lower radiator hose and then just kind of pulling up. So what I have to do is just get down off in there, put some Teflon tape on there, and then go from there. Should be a fairly easy fix though. Fairly easy fix. So I was helping my boy out the other day, man, with his tune, which kind of really inspired me to go ahead and kind of start looking at mine or whatever. Or just kind of logging data, man, and getting more familiar with it. And I saw that, he had an AC bracket. So he told me where he found it at. It run a little bit of bread, but I know I was gonna try to fabricate that one, but I think I'm gonna just roll with the other one. You know what I'm saying? Spend a little bit of bread, get the AC, because I mean I'm saving money on everything else. AC lines, whatever. I mean I still have to buy compressors and everything, but other than that, I mean we pretty much Gucci. So yeah, man, I mean, that's gonna do it for this one. Let me show y'all this data, and then we'll go from there. See, it's cooling up pretty nice. So I gotta get that taken care of ASAP.